Okay, so you've been asked to do something that you don't want to do. It could be a chore, it could be an assignment in class. Either way, you're going to have a choice. You can either do it now or you can do it later. Now, if you choose later, that means you're going to have to first of all remember and think about how you got to do it later. Another consequence will be that either the homework or the mowing the lawn or the setting the table, it's not going to get done. That's the first ring of how later is going to affect us. In the second ring of impact, the person that gave us the job is going to go like, hey, is that still not done? And that could frustrate us and cause some problems. Another thing that could cause us problems is how now we're going to be thinking about it. I still got to do it later, and the work is still not done, and trust is starting to get broken just a little bit. And if we stick with the plan of later, then we're going to get more work assigned to us, or we might get another chore like time to go clean up the goat poop in the yard. And the person that gave us the job is going to be like, hey, you're still not done? And we're going to be like, and they're going to go like, okay, fine. You're not going to be going to the park. You're not going to be playing video games. You're going to be riding your bike. You're not going to be riding your skateboard until all of this stuff is done. And the trust is going to be broken. But what if we get that job to do that we don't really want to do, like the homework or the mowing the lawn, and we just do it now? Whoever asks us to do it is going to go like, awesome, thanks. And there's going to be a really strong trust there. Since our plan is just to do things now, when the extra work comes or when it's time to clean the goat poop, it's no problem, so let's do it now. And guess what? When fun stuff like going to the park, riding your skateboard, playing video games, riding your bike come up, you're going to have time to do it because you did it now. When you compare the two, you'll notice that now took a lot less time than later did. You'll also notice that there's a lot more frustration on the later side, both for us and for the people who asked us to do the job. Next time you're given a job to do that you don't really want to do, and you're trying to decide whether to do it now or to do it later, just do it now. You're going to like it a lot more, and so is the person that asked you to do it. Have an excellent rest of the day.